Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Slack Workspace, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your Slack Workspace, start by logging into your Slack account. Once logged in, navigate to your Workspace settings. You can find this by clicking on your Workspace name in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Administration. Then click on Workspace Settings. In the new window, look for the Verification section. Here, you'll see the option to verify your workspace. Click on Verify your workspace. You will now be presented with different verification options. Choose the method that suits your organization best. Common methods include domain verification or adding a TXT record to your DNS settings. If you opt for domain verification, follow the provided instructions. You might need to access your domain registrar for this step. For DNS verification, copy the TXT record provided by Slack. Log into your domain registrar's website. Locate the DNS management section for your domain. Add a new TXT record with the information from Slack. Once added, return to your Slack verification page. Click Verify to check the changes. It may take some time for DNS changes to propagate. If successful, you will see a confirmation message. If verification fails, double-check the TXT record for any errors. After successful verification, your workspace will be officially verified. You can now enjoy the benefits of a verified Slack workspace. This enhances your workspace's security and credibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.